Okay, so I don't know exactly what your problem is, CJ, but we'll go through again what I did this morning. So we want these periods to represent the days between now and submission date. So the first date is the 5th of February 2021. Because it's saying this is a number, it's translating the date into a number. The 5th of February 2021 is the 44,232nd day after the 1st of January 1900, which is when, according to Microsoft, time began. Future generations might have before Microsoft and after Microsoft instead of BC and AD or Common Era, whatever. So we want to convert this into a date. So I'll make it a short date so you can read it, understand it as a date, and then we want to change the alignment. I don't know what your version of Excel is, because Jazak can't do this on his super duper new version of Excel, and my computer is struggling with the amount of work it's trying to do. There we go. So clicking on the alignment, we want it aligned. I'm going to have it aligned upwards like that. Yeah, and then I want column width, that's okay, and Control Y. Okay, and now if I copy that format all the way across here, okay, copy that format all the way across here, you can see 29 is the 29th of February 1900, which is a mistake because there wasn't a 29th of February in 1900. 1900 was a centenary year and it didn't have a leap day. Although it's divisible by 4, it didn't have a leap day because it isn't divisible by 400. But anyway, that's Microsoft's bad, nothing you have to worry about. What we want to do is say that this day here equals the value that we have in H4 plus 1. So that's the 5th of February, that's the 6th of February, and then we can copy that all the way across. And there we go, up to the 5th of April. And here, 28th of February, 1st of March, there is no leap day in 2021, which is what we'd expect. So now if we go to here, we don't want any of this stuff. Yeah, this was all for their planning stuff. We can delete that. And activity 1, prepare project plan. We'll start on the 5th of February. Okay, and give it 1 day duration. And we can say that it started on the 5th of February. And you might take 2 days over it. Yeah. And at the moment you're 0% complete. When you get to 100% complete, you get to 100% complete. Yeah. So activity 2, you might have prepare mood board 1. Okay, and you might start that tomorrow, and with planned duration of 1 day. Yeah, and so on and so forth. And then, yeah, you just carry on. Every if you can run tasks simultaneously. So storyboard 1, storyboard 1, you can run that simultaneously with the mood board. Give it 2 days. Okay, there we, and so again it's building up as you go along. That's all there is to it. I don't know exactly the nature of the problems that you're facing, but I can certainly edit all these fields. Okay, so I'm going to stop there.